Hello everybody, my name is Benjamin Felix. I am MMM Batch 200 2016 Guided School participant. I'm in Nigeria and I reside in Kaduna State. I want to use this opportunity to thank the founder, the great inspiration behind this platform, Sergio Mafroji. I want to say a big thank you to that wisdom that came from this great man. Thank you a lot, because without MMM, we wouldn't have been where we are today. Thank you a lot. Thank you a lot. Thank you a lot. I also want to thank my great and able mentor who has also put us through the learning process, Mentor Sebastian. Thank you, Mentor Sebastian, for your time, your patience, your love. And thank you for all you have taught us through this mentor guidance. I have learned a lot from you. Indeed, you are such a wonderful mentor. Thank you a lot. I also want to use this opportunity to thank some of my wonderful group members that have been so helpful all through this period of Guided School. I want to thank Pius Ubande. I want to thank Bolaji. I want to thank Isioma Osufo. I want to thank Kehinde. Thank you a lot. I want to thank Akin Sowon. I want to thank Akin Tokbe for your wonderful time, your ideas. I want to thank Adeleke for your wonderful ideas too we share together in our group. I want to thank Ekwa Steven. I want to thank Ojo Johnson, your wonderful and my wonderful good friend Chinonso, for your wonderful contribution while we're in the group. I want to thank Austin. I want to thank Michael Ajayi for his wonderful time, and I want to thank Ajayi Adenike for your wonderful time. Lastly, I would love to thank Kingsley Uzabubu for all your time. I am grateful, and for those that I couldn't mention their name, I want you to know I love you from my heart, and I thank you for all your time. MMM Guided School has taught me a lot, which I categorize them into two groups: behavioral experience and practical experience. Starting with the behavioral experience, these are behaviors you exhibit consciously and or unconsciously from learning process. MMM Guided School has given me the opportunity to meet with articulative and enthusiastic students from different parts of the country. I never knew that this is how Guided School is. I never knew that this is what it entails, what you learn from them. But through Guided School, I was able to meet wonderful, like-minded people from different parts of the country. MMM Guided School has also given me the opportunity to have a better and clearer and wonderful knowledge of MMA and what MMA stands for. Before now, I would say I am just half-baked. I never knew more about MMM, but through MMA Guided School, I knew the philosophy of MMM. I was able to learn about their ideology, what MMM stands for, what are their rules, what are their do's and don'ts. I also thank MMM Guided School for giving the opportunity to improve in the area of associating with people and communicating with them. Through MMM Guided School, I realized that we must, as we are aspiring to be a leader, as we are aspiring to be a guide, we must learn the attribute of proper association and communication. MMM Guided School has helped me to develop positively in my attitude, and MMM Guided School has helped me to develop positively in accomplishing tasks before deadline. MMM Guided School has also helped me to improve in the area of research. I have to go on research to carry out every task that's given to me. I have to read wide. Through MMM Guided School, I was encouraged to read, to go for research. These are some of the practical experience I learned in MMM Guided School. MMM Guided School has helped me to develop the use and the proper use of most of these computer and internet applications, such as GoToMeeting, such as Skype, such as Facebook, such as Google Slides, such as Google Doc, such as Spreadsheet and other things. Through MMM Guided School, I had to develop myself. I had to force myself. I had to learn to motivate myself to learn all this, because they are essential as a student, because these are the things we use on daily basis. MMM Guided School has also helped me to improve in my knowledge and applicability of proper use of computer. I used to have little knowledge of computer, but through MMM Guided School, I was forced to ask questions. I was forced to learn from others. MMM Guided School has helped me so much. MMM Guided School has also helped me in developing proper marketing skills. Through MMM Guided School, I was learned to develop proper marketing skills, advertising skills, and so on. MMM Guided School has taught me how to improve in leadership, because as I aspire to be a guider, we have to develop proper leadership skills, which is essential to the survival of MMM, which is essential to bring people close to us. Thank you a lot, MMM Guided School, and I say a big thank you to you, MMM.